Okay, that was a little insane, out of control. So I had this problem. I have this handheld shop vac, which is great, but fairly useless, good in the car or something like that. But something spills in the house, completely useless. And then I have the monster shop vac for where there's a flood, that kind of stuff. But it's a giant pain in the butt to take out when, let's say, when my daughter spills a soda or something like that. So here is my perfect answer. This is from VEVOR. They did provide this to me to do this review, but they don't give me any instructions. This is really all my own thoughts. So let's talk about those thoughts. So let me show you real quick. Comes with the normal extension. This is kind of for vacuuming debris off the floor. A smaller one, an even smaller one with an option to use it with an angled brush like that. How cool is that? That's pretty cool, all built into it. A hose with an airflow adjustment, which is going to control how much suction you get or not. Has wheels on it. It is a great size. It is light. I love that it is metal, but still light. So it's going to be durable construction, easy to carry around wherever you need to go. All these attachments actually fit here on the top. Let me show you what the filters look like also, because it's pretty darn cool. Here's your normal conventional filter, and then here is your dust filter. And then obviously you have your whole big bin to collect everything. So basically, I've constructed a 3-stage torture test for you here today. Let me move this over, make a little extra room. Let's plug this in so we can get right down to the torture test. Slide it in, half turn, get a good connection. Let's see if we have power. We got power. All right, so let's talk about this torture test. What do we have here? We have stage 3. Bucket of water, we'll see how fast it sucks that up. Stage 2, bucket of dirt, we'll see how it does with that. And stage 3, bucket of nuts and bolts. Let's suck them all up, see what goes on. We're not gonna suck them all up together, otherwise all I'm gonna have is muddy bolts. But let's do one at a time. Let's try the bolts first. Ready? I haven't tried this yet, so this is all a surprise for me. That was a package of 50 nuts. Let's take a look, see what it looks like in here. Here we go, we got $50 nuts picked up in 2 seconds. Let's clear this out, move to stage 2. See how beautiful this is now, right and clean? This is the very last moment that it will ever look like that again, but it is a shop vac, so it's not really supposed to look all beautiful, shiny, and clean. Isn't the most firm connection. I mean, it clips on, you can pick it up, but it doesn't feel tight, which you would think it would need to do, but it clearly does not. Just so you can tell, looking right here, there is a blower function as well. It's all right. Stage 2 dirt. Bye-bye, clean vacuum. Now that was a really fine dirt, and I purposely had the exhaust here. You didn't see any dust shooting out, so that dust shield works obviously really well. Look, you can see, let me show you up close. Even after getting all that dust, just how clean that filter is. See this dirt? Oh, there it is. Dirt, acorns, leaves, everything that was in there. How about that? Okay, we ready for the most fun one? That last one was pretty fun, I gotta say, but this one should be really good. Let's see. That is 24 ounces of water. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, that was a little insane, out of control. This is actually pretty dry. Let's see how much water there is. That's pretty darn impressive. So if you're looking for a perfect size, like this is perfect regular life, not shop garage, not cleaning up floods, just general things that go wrong in the house, this is absolutely perfect size. It's got a ton of suction, sucked up nuts and bolts, dirt, the whole 24 ounces of water in 2/10 seconds. Wasn't ready for that. All worked perfectly. I don't think you could possibly go wrong for this. If you are interested in it, there is a link right there below on the screen. You can use that. If it's not on there, you could go down in the description. There's a link, helps out the channel. We do appreciate it. While you're down there, remember to like, subscribe, and maybe put in your comment. What's your favorite mess that you have cleaned up with the shop vac? That should be fairly interesting. Put that in the comments. Let's start talking about it. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.